Yes, viewers, subscribers. Yes, Gage drop a diss track for Shawn Storm and it a fire. You see me? That diss track it a fire. So subscribers, viewers, subscribe, like the video and share it. You see me I say? Gage a wire the thing. Him a bust a portion a shot. You see me I say? Everybody knows that Shawn Storm a one bad artist from long time. You see me? I go hear way I go answer Gage with there now. A Gage a fire. Gage a diss him up wicked or him there behind bar and a man him a think about and all kind of thing. Yo, that track a fire still. Yes, Gage. You see me? Me not too can do on the war still. But from a lyrically good. You see me I say? A good pre. The artists them a do it. You see me I say? So please go over Gage Viva and go listen to the song and share it, like it, and leave in a comment. Leave in a comment on the video and let me know what you think. You see me I say? I will know say Gage a bad artist over the years. You see me? Shawn Storm a bad artist too. You see me I say? Yeah, see where I go come with, where I go fire off a Gage now. You see me I say? Yeah. We all know say Gage in a war with Devin the Doctor. But we all know how that play out. You see me? Never reach nowhere. So I could see where man Shawn Storm I go on there now. As me say, Gage a bad artist, Shawn Storm a bad artist. Gage every this cartel. You see me? Say people stop roll with boss, you know. You see me I say, but I just want to think them. You see me I say? Yes. Yeah man, G-Tex I do this review. You see me I say? A good look for dancehall, for Sting. You see me I say? Even though we all know Shawn Storm behind the railing now go available for those Sting. You see me? But I mean, dancehall. You see what go on, huh? Yeah. Subscribe guys, like the video. Yeah.